Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 4 from Moments for class ninth. The name of the chapter is In the Kingdom of Fools. Fools mean stupid persons, idiots. And what's the meaning of kingdom? Kingdom is that area which is ruled by a king or queen. And you know that before 1947, India was divided into so many kingdoms and ruled by king or queen. Credit goes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united these kingdoms and made a single nation. That's why he is called Unifier of India. Students, you know that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Why they are so dangerous? Because they think differently. So in this story, who are the fools and what happens to them? Let's read and find. This is a story of king and minister who were idiots. That's why their kingdom was known as Kingdom of Fools. Why were they idiots? Because they didn't want to run things like other kings. They wanted to run the system of the kingdom in an unusual manner, means differently. So, what they do? They decided to change night into day and day into night. दिन को रात में बदलना, रात को दिन में. How they did it? For achieving their project, they ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till their fields and run their businesses only after dark. It means people would work at night time and sleep at daytime. And if anybody would disobey, he would be punished with death. And not even the people, but also insects and cattle started to follow that rule. One day in that kingdom, a king and his disciple arrived. What's the meaning of disciple? Disciple means student. Guru or uska chela. They noticed that it was a very beautiful city. But they surprised because there was no one about. Everyone was asleep. The two strangers, amazed by that, they wandered around the town till evening. And suddenly, after evening, what they noticed? The whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. Nightly business means the farmer started to move towards their fields. Shopkeepers started to open their shops. That time the two men were very hungry. Now at night time the shops were open. So they went to buy some groceries. And to their astonishment, again they surprised. Astonishment means surprise. Why? Because they found that everything cost the same. A single dudu. It means that everything has same price. Whether it is a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas. Its cost a dudu. Dudu was the currency of that kingdom. Firstly, Guru and his disciple were very delighted because they had never heard of anything like this. They bought the things and cooked. And after eating, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it would not be a good idea for them to stay here. So he advised his disciple to leave that place. This is no place for us. Let's go. But the disciple was greatly impressed by the price of things. So he didn't want to leave the place. He said everything was cheap here. The Guru again warned, they are all fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they'll do to you next. But the disciple ignored the advice of his Guru. So Guru went from that place and said to disciple, do what you want. I am going. And Guru left. But disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day with bananas, ghee and rice and wheat. And because these things are full of fat, that's why he became a fatty person. And his fatness is compared with the street-sided sacred bull. One day, a strange case was present before king. What was the case? One day, a thief broke into rich merchant's house. Thief did burglary attempt, but at daytime, on bright day. How it is possible? Because at daytime the people slept and at night time the people worked. So it was easy for a thief to do stealing at daytime. So he broke into a rich merchant's house, and when he was carrying out his loot, what happened with the thief? The wall of the old house collapsed on his head and killed him on the spot. And after this, thief's brother ran to king and complained, Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade. What was the ancient trade? This was of stealing. A wall fell on him and killed him. This merchant is to blame. According to thief's brother, the merchant was responsible for his brother's death. He should have built a good strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate. Compensate mean मुआवजा. कि मेरे ब्रदर की डेथ हुई है उसके घर में, उसके दीवार गिरने से, तो मेरे ब्रदर को इसके बदले में कुछ मिलना चाहिए. साइड बाय साइड वो रॉन्ग डूअर कौन है? मर्चेंट. वो भी पनिश होना चाहिए. Compensate the family for this injustice. The king ensured thief's brother by saying that justice will be done, don't worry, and at once summoned the owner of the house. Normally, summon is a judiciary word and its meaning is order to be present, and another meaning is called. And king summoned the owner of the house means who was the owner of the house? Merchant. And how he summoned? He summoned by sending his messenger to merchant's house. And in part 2, in video next, we will learn what happened with merchants and what punishment he was got from the king.